Hi everyone! Today we are going to make Asian-style baked custard buns. These buns make a sweet dessert. Now let's get started. To make the dough, you can either by hand or using a stand mixer if you have one. You will need all the ingredients shown here. I'll be showing you how to make it by hand first, so skip ahead to the timestamp in the description if you would like to use a stand mixer. First, pour the flour into a big bowl and mix it with the yeast. Now add the sugar and salt and mix them up. Next, add in the 2 eggs and the egg white, stirring the mixture. You'll need about 1 cup of milk. Depending on your dough, you may need a little less, so adjust accordingly if needed. We're aiming for this texture here. Add the butter and continue until the dough is smooth and round. If you want, you can add some flour to make it less sticky. Afterwards, knead the dough into a ball. Moving to a smooth surface can make it easier to form a smooth ball. Once you're satisfied with the shape, cover the dough and leave it somewhere warm until it doubles in size. This may take anywhere from 1 to 2 hours, depending on your room temperature. Now I'll show you how to make the dough using a stand mixer. For those who have already made the dough by hand, feel free to skip ahead to the timestamp in the description below. Place all the ingredients except for the butter into the mixer on low speed. When it's been mixed together, speed up until it forms a ball. If needed, you can add some flour to make it less sticky. Now add the butter and mix until it forms this smooth ball. Brush a little oil on the surface. Cover the dough and leave it somewhere warm until it doubles in size. This may take anywhere from 1 to 2 hours, depending on your room temperature. Once the dough is ready, knead until it is once again round. Then divide the dough into 12 pieces and round them out. The filling is really simple. Sift the flour and cornstarch into a small pot. Whisk the eggs before adding them to the pot, then combine the eggs and flour mixture until the powders are fully dissolved. Heat the pot over medium heat. Whisk constantly, adding the milk and mixing well. Now add the salt and sugar. Keep stirring everything until the mixture has thickened up into a paste-like consistency. This should take about 10 minutes. Once done, remove the pot from the heat and stir in the butter. Transfer the mixture to a bowl and keep it in the fridge. Roll each piece out into a flat circle that is 2 to 3 inches in diameter. Place a small portion of the filling into the middle of each wrapper. Take the edges and bunch them together into the middle to cover the filling. Press the edges together firmly. Then place them on the baking pan, making sure to keep the side with the seam underneath. And then set them aside for half an hour. While you wait, preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Before putting them in the oven, brush the buns with a mixture of beaten egg yolk and 1 teaspoon of milk. Put them into the oven, baking for 20 to 25 minutes or until they're golden. And you're done! These buns are super tasty. Enjoy! Please like the video if you enjoyed the recipe and subscribe for more traditional Asian recipes. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comment section.